Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome back. And today I have a thrift haul for you guys. It's kind of small. I've not been outside in in a store or something for a while. And we went to the thrift store not too long ago, and I wanted to show what I got. It's not too much, but it is some stuff I'm pretty excited about. So the first thing I'm gonna share is I got four pairs of these mouse ears that I figured would be awesome to decorate, and eventually maybe one day when I can get to Disney World again, because fun fact, I do very much enjoy Disney World and I would like to go again sometime. But if I ever end up going to Disney World again, I could bring these with and decorate them myself, and I thought that would be super cool. So I bought these mouse ears, which were really cool find. The next thing I'm gonna share is, I'm gonna back up a little. I basically found this bed sheet, and it has a bunch of cute little like little sweets and candy. Like there's ice cream, there's cupcakes, donuts, and lollipops, and macarons, and just candy, and I thought it was so cool. So I really wanted to get it because I love finding like fabric and stuff at the thrift store. For example, like this will be awesome fabric. I was thinking about turning it into a kimono, but like anytime I find like a bed sheet or something with like a really cool pattern I love, I'm automatically like, oh, I'm gonna turn it into a kimono. I have already done that once, but yeah, if that's the case, I'm just gonna have a bunch of kimonos. So, but I did find this, and I wanted to use it for some sort of fabric. The next thing is also like, it's also a bed sheet. It did come with like a pillowcase, so I guess we kind of have a pillowcase to use or more fabric. But it's like this nice light purple with white polka dots. This is the pillowcase, and this is the sheet. And I don't know, I really like it. I really like the color. It's really cute. Okay, so only two more things to share. The next thing I'm gonna share was a pretty awesome find for me. If you don't know, I enjoy customizing dolls, and I actually found, hold on, let me grab them. I found a bag of dolls, and what really made me want to buy them was there were two Monster High dolls in there. Now, these guys are missing like part of their arm, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from potentially customizing them. Their hair is like, it feels like a whole bunch of product is in it, but honestly, I'll probably either like wash it off or just cut it off and put new hair in there. But that's the whole reason I bought the bag of dolls, was because there were Monster High dolls in there, and I was like, what? That's awesome. These were the other dolls that were in there. I am like a big fan of dolls, and I do collect them, but I don't really remember like any of them specifically. And I'm not sure where these guys are from. They remind me of Bratz because of their feet. Maybe they are. I'm not too sure. But then there's these girls. And one of the dolls that I thought was really cool was she has wings and a button that makes the wings light up. And I thought that was so cool. I was like, wow, maybe if I do customize her, I can really turn her into like a fantasy type creature. The dolls that I customize usually are fantasy creatures, or just like, just mythical creatures in general. So I thought this was really cool with the wings. So that was like the dolls that came in the bag. Now, the last thing I thought was so cool. I had to buy this. I had to buy it. It is, are you ready? I'm trying to like give you the best angle because I'm sitting on the floor here, so sorry. Okay, here it is. It is a skeleton poncho. Like, look at this thing. This is like, look at that. It is so freaking cool. There we go. It's so cool. I definitely had to buy this as soon as I saw it. I figured like this could make like a really cute outfit or something, you know, pair it with like black top, black leggings or something, and it would look so cool. This is so neat. But that is my little thrift haul. I was super excited to go back to the thrift store, and I was very excited and very pleased with what I purchased. I probably could have bought like a couple more things I saw were cool, but I didn't want to go too overboard here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.